Hi everyone, welcome back to Angie's Answers. I'm Angie Dugan from the Quilting Connection. I wanted to come to you today and show you that we got something pretty exciting in the mail and do an unboxing video with you. So you might have seen another video that we are partnering with the Ultimate Sewing Chair. The biggest reason that we are partnering with them is because this is fully customizable. So you get to choose what your bottom cushion is like, what your back cushion is like, the color that you want it to be. There are so many different colors for this, but we love that this chair is made in the USA. It also has a really great warranty on it, lifetime warranty on a lot of the parts and pieces of it. That adjustable seat. So not only can you raise your seat up and down, but you can also tilt it. So when we're sewing, we can have our back supported too. So I'm really excited for this chair. Let me open up this box and let's see what's inside. Cut this open. It's supposed to cut away from me, right? I don't follow the rules. Let's get it open. So first thing we have in here is our base. I love that the wheels are already assembled for me, so we don't have to worry about that. These wheels are great. They're going to be good on carpet or hardwood. So we've got our base in there. It is very well protected with some foam pieces too. Let me pull out some of this foam that's in here. Ooh, this is one of my favorite colors, and I bet you won't be able to tell that based on the color of my shirt too. So this is the bottom of the chair. I'll get this bag opened up. This is going to be the bottom. So this one is one of our contour seats. So this one has that nice shape to it. They call it a contour seat. Get rid of that. And then here is the top. So this top we chose, I believe this is the Premier top. Let me get this open. So this is the Premier top. So there is also a Premier tall. Let me grab that over here. So I have another chair that we opened up too that is not quite put together yet. So this is the Premier tall back, and then this one is the regular Premier back. Can you see that difference in size? Good. Then you'll see there's one more box in here too. This is the box that has that cylinder in it. So let's get this one opened up. There we go. So it's gonna go called big, just like you expect it to. Then you're gonna take your bottom of your roller part here, and this, let me bring you down just a little bit, sorry. This just sets right into there. You don't have to do any screws or anything to get that to hold in there, so super easy. Then the chair itself here, that's just going to set right on top of there. So again, no screws or anything like that. That's just gonna set on there for you, and then we can lift it up. There is a tiny little plug on this part of the chair here, right here, this plug. That plug does need to come out to be able to get the back in. So it's helpful if you've got a little pair of pliers to do that with. Let me slide this over and grab the blue one because Rick already did that for me. Oh, this knob right here goes right on this side. So you're gonna screw that knob into there. Let me grab the blue one. So I've got the base for the blue one, my cylinder, and again, the cylinder just sets right in there and it's gonna hold right in there. No screws or anything needed. This chair we did order with the armrest on it. So this one does have armrest on it. So we'll set that right on there too. And then the back of the chair is going to slide right down inside of here. This knob is what helps you set the height of that chair, but you do want to put that little plug back in here. And Rick set the plug over here so I didn't lose it. So then this little plug piece, see that okay? This little plug piece is just gonna go right back in there, so then that way this can't come all the way out and up. So that'll stop it once it gets to there. So we are super excited to be partnered with this Ultimate Sewing Chair company. Let me just show you some of the other options. You can find them on our website, quiltingconnection.com, and I have a whole separate item for it for the Ultimate Chair. We decided not to try to have an item for every option because there are thousands of different options. Because again, you're going to choose your seat, you're going to choose that back, then you're going to also choose the color that you want it to be as well. So it is best if you are interested in one of these chairs to send us an email and then tell us which options you're looking at, and then we can get you a quote. If you scroll down in that item, I have all the prices already listed. So there's the price for the chair bottom. There's a price if you do want one of the upgraded backs. There is a price depending on which fabric you choose. And then there's also options like different casters. You can choose different heights for the cylinder. So if we do want this to sit in a long arm, we can get that taller cylinder. So our chairs, we did upgrade those cylinders and get the bigger cylinders. So that way we can have these up high when we're at our long arm machines. You can also add armrests or not have armrests. And then if you do have it up high, there's also a ring at the bottom to be able to help you get on and off too. So because there's so many different options and so many different prices, we decided just to, if you are interested, to email us with the options you want. So info@quiltingconnection.com, and then we can put a quote together for you. I do have on that item too, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the fabric choice options. So these are grade 1 fabric choice options. This one is a grade 3. This is also a grade 3, and these are so pretty in real life. Then we have this one here, the Spectrum Collection, grade 5. This is the one that we chose. So this blue chair is this blue right here, and then that teal chair is this teal right up here. There's more of some of the grade 5. This cross check, I really like that. Oh, this blue actually is the cross check. I'm sorry, I lied. So this is a grade 5. This is the blue cross check, is this chair right here. Then there is some like faux kind of leather finish too. And then this is a grade 6. So there are lots of different options for your fabric samples. And again, all of those are on our website, quiltingconnection.com. Look for the side or the top. It's going to say Ultimate Sewing Chair. So you can see that item and scroll down through there. We will have these in both our Elkhorn and our Appleton locations. So if you are local, please stop by because you can't appreciate it until you actually sit in it. So we'd love to have you stop by the shop, sit on it, check out all the cool features of it, and let us know if you would like one for yourself. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day.